So this app is click build layout. This is also a 3D program, but the camera will of this camera, all of them will have some inspector properties, right? So it has the so you will see it goes down, right? Scripts. So this is how you create a script. You right click on the project phone. ID has marked from the song. Click and look around. This is this 3D space that we have. Same for y-axis. Right. Same for z-axis. So if you would have to save the project, the cube would still have been there. Axis it decreases. You can go down and you can invert it as well. You can see my different set of objects here. You can see 3D objects. You have cube that have objects that you can, as you can see, we created a plane out of a